Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tie a blood knot. Now a blood knot is a great knot to tie if you're joining two similar sized fishing lines together. It works with all different types of lines. My favorite though is using this knot to join braid to fluorocarbon or mono. Now to tie this knot, I'm going to align both of my lines alongside each other. Then I'm going to keep them spaced apart like this. That'll be important here in a minute. I'm going to take this red line and start wrapping it around the green line about 3 or 4 times. This is really thick fluorocarbon, so I only need to do it a few times to make this work. So remember that space that we had down there at the beginning? You can actually take a pencil and slide it right through there to make sure that that space stays in place. I'm not going to use the pencil, I'm going to use my fingers to keep that spacing. I'm then going to take the red tag end and slide it through that space. That's what it kind of looks like right there. I'm going to pinch it to keep it in place, also to maintain that spacing. I'm then going to repeat that, only I'm going to wrap the green line around the red line in the opposite direction that I did previously. Again, I'm going to do this about 3 or 4 times. Now with the red tag end, when we threaded it through the middle of the knot, we went in a downward motion. With the green line, we want it to go opposite, so I'm going to thread it upward. Now make sure both tag ends and main lines are secured for the final step. This is what it should look like right before we pull everything tight. As I start to pull it tight, I'm going to pull on the tag ends and the main lines together as it begins to become semi-tight. Before it becomes completely tight, I'm going to wet it with some spit so it slides together easier. Once the knot becomes semi-tight, you can actually let go of the tag ends, pull on the main lines. Those wraps are going to come together. You can actually use your fingernails to pull against each side of the knot to make sure it's good and snug. After that, you can trim the tag ends, and that completes the blood knot. If you want to learn more fishing knots, check out our playlist right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.